issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to midline of Lake Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan. New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan until midnight Eastern Daylight Time at 10:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 21 nautical miles west of Oak Creek to 42 nautical miles southwest of Winthrop Harbor to 73 nautical miles southwest of Pleasant Prairie, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include New Buffalo, St. Joseph, and Michigan City. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. And the nearshore marine